Simply connect to this website, make some sweet pattern designs, and sell them for huge profit. I did it, you can do the same. Hi guys, get comfortable in your chairs because this time I'll show you my secret way to make $120 now with this new method. And you can earn all this without any previous experience in the financial world. These websites aren't geo-restricted either, so you can do this method anywhere in the world. And guys, the following video will be a really in-depth tutorial, so make sure to pay close attention and don't skip any parts to make sure to maximize your profit. And now guys, I'm gonna jump into the first step, but only after I ask you to hit the like button if you like this method and subscribe to the channel if you want to learn about more ways to monetize your time online. And now let's jump into the first step. Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It is that simple. So for the first step of our method today, I want you guys to connect to flaticon.com. And this is the website which is gonna make us some money today. As you can see, this is a website where you can make some icons, stickers, you can edit your workspaces. You've got plenty of tools to make your workspace better looking. You can get access to 4.8 million vector icons and stickers, and you can download all those in PNG, SVG, EPS, PSD, and Base64 formats. And what I want you to do on now is to click on the register button over here, and that will open this simple form where you can create your new free account. So it's very simple, just enter in your username, your email, and your password, or you can do it via Google or Facebook. That way it would be a little bit faster, but just make sure to enter in your valid email because they're gonna send you a verification link and you need to click on that in order to use this website. And once you do that, once you do everything correctly, I want you to go back to homepage and scroll all the way down below and look for the app section over here. Then just choose the patterns generator. And this is where it should take you. This is their pattern design. And as you can see, there are simple steps. You would just have to search the icons, drop them in the workspace, then you can change the size, the color, and the background, and you are gonna download your design in the format and size that you prefer. And as they say, you just need to be creative with this. And that's exactly what we are gonna do today. We're just gonna be creative and we're gonna get paid for it. And remember, you can do this on your laptop, on your smartphone. It doesn't matter which operating system you use either because it's available on all devices and operating systems out there. So for example, let's say I like this one. We choose this pack and choose, I don't know, for example, this one. You click on it and it should appear over here on the canvas. Also, you can get some and you can drag and drop them over here. And also you can move them on the canvas as you like. So for example, let's just add a few other packs. As you can see here, some food and everything. Let's click on this. So here, for example, I like fish and I will put fish over here and I'll just move this fish around. And now I want to change the background. I just click here and for example, I like yellow background or not. This is not so good. For example, let's just make it like this and you got your background. And when you're done with that, you can also play with some opacity over here, some pixels if you want. And when you're done with that, you can just click on the download button over here and make sure you choose the format, which is PNG. When you choose it, just click on the download pattern over here And that's it. You're all set for the next step. And for the second step of our method, I want you guys to connect to 99designs.com. So make sure you spell that one correctly. And as you can see, this is a designer's page where you can get some designs for yourself. You can buy them, but as well, you can make them and sell them. And that's exactly what we're gonna do today. As you can see, this page is featured on Wall Street Journal, Entrepreneur, Forbes, New York Times. So as you can see, these guys are very legit and very popular. So now I want you to create a free account over here. Click on the login button, and here you're just gonna scroll down and click on sign up. And right here, you've got a few different options. You're gonna select I'm a designer because that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna design stuff and we're gonna sell it here for much money. And as before, enter in your email, display name, password, and you can create your brand new free account on this website. And now, once you're back to their homepage, you're just gonna scroll down and click on the illustration section over here. And right here, you're just gonna click on Start Project, and you can post all those emojis over there and start making some real cash. As you can see down here, people are making a lot of these and they're making tons of money with this. And I want you to show that these guys pay out a lot. So I want to show you this. So for bronze people, you can sell your designs for $349. On silver, you can get $549 and so on. The price goes up. So this is a highly payable website, and you can use this over and over again, and you don't need any skill. You can just go to that website, make your patterns, and sell them here. Simple as that. And for the third step of our method today, I want you guys to connect to Fiverr.com. And as you know, Fiverr is a freelancing site and it's very popular. So we don't need to talk about legitimacy of this website. You should just create your free account over here and make your gig. Afterwards, we're just gonna use the website we have covered earlier, make our designs and sell them here for big money. Now, when you make your account, I want you to scroll down and select the option which is graphics and design. And this will open a brand new page where you can see all of these categories over here. There are plenty of them, but the one that interests us the most is the pattern design over here. And here we can sell our emojis. As you can see, plenty of these people are already making huge monies, and we can do the same. As you can see, this person over here is charging $48 per one design, and she already sold 76 of them. Let's just take a minute and see how much she earned until now. So that's $48 times 76. She made $3,600 using simple design patterns. That's crazy amount of money, guys. And she probably did it in 1 month. So imagine getting $3,600 every month. That's some really crazy amount of money. And imagine you can earn all that money within 1 month. What would you do with that? I'm genuinely interested in that, and I ask you to put your comment down in the comment section telling me what would you do with that kind of money. Would you invest it in something else, or would you just spend it? Please comment down below and I will pin the most creative comments. And as you can see, plenty of other people are doing that as well. This guy sold 197 at $30 each, so he made a fortune over here. And that's why I'm telling you guys, you need to start monetizing your time online with these free tools because everybody else is doing it. Everybody else is making huge amounts of money. You have to start doing it as well, and you gotta do it now. You gotta take action and use these methods and make yourself some serious amounts of cash. The only thing you have to invest is time. You don't need to have any skill or experience. It's so easy. With that being said, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.